Hurricane Harvey was an unprecedented event for our area. So this affected everybody in the Houston area, whether you were directly affected or not. You had family, you had friends, you had co-workers who were affected. We provided over 2,000 toys to the kids that were coming in. We also provided about 4,000 free meals to our visitors. So we were trying to just brighten everyone's day a little bit and kind of bring things back to normal. We realized that Save the Children was responding to post-Harvey. And what we realized is we could really partner together and create a space that's going to be very welcoming. So we came back with our interior designers, we pulled a lot of furniture that was needed, and we came back and we revamped the space for them. Just to see the look on these kids' faces when they saw the transformation, I think was really, really impactful, and it made me feel good that we were stepping up as a company and we were working with our partners like Save the Children to create an escape. These are all things that IKEA did because they wanted to know that our community was safe, that we were set up in a way that we can rebuild and we can be better. At IKEA, we really do believe that we're stronger together, and it's these actions that the company does that proves it. And it makes you feel so proud to be able to say, you know what, I work for this company that does this. And I'm very proud to work for IKEA.
We're also here to really make over or redo some classrooms that were really damaged in Hurricane Harvey. And so we were just fortunate enough to, get the information and come over here, and we're going to redo some classrooms and build them up, put the IKEA flair to them. So, because that's what we're about at IKEA, maximizing your space. So with us redoing some of the rooms that were damaged, they'll really be able to maximize this space and they'll be back up to full capacity. Working for IKEA is an amazing experience. I've loved working here since the day I started, but after hearing about the Eyewitness program and being able to apply and actually be selected for it, my love for IKEA has grown tremendously. Just a company that cares, it's just powerful. IKEA to me is powerful.
I am thrilled to support the partnership with IKEA. IKEA is one of Save the Children's largest partners worldwide. So this is helping children in low-income families who are the most vulnerable and marginalized children in the U.S. really prepare to start school. Here in Houston specifically, and after the hurricane season last year, we really worked with IKEA to develop a partnership and a campaign that would be able to support these families who had been so affected. So we actually were so thrilled to take part in the SAG-O-SCAT campaign. 100% of the proceeds from the sale of the SAG-O-SCAT toys actually are going to Save the Children to support our hurricane response across the U.S. So that's why we're really thrilled to be here in Houston and to be able to see the work that Save the Children has accomplished, because it's really due to IKEA and IKEA consumers that this work is even possible. Today we're here on site with one of our partners to renovate a room in their childcare facility. And it's really exciting to me because it's tapping into one of those core strengths that IKEA has. We're able to use the IKEA furniture, which is beautiful and so appropriate for the children of these ages, and really tap into the key strengths of our IKEA co-workers are helping all of us to put this furniture together and to really beautify this space and help this child care center be back up and running and ready to receive children and help families really get back to work.
For example, the classroom that we're working on today lost all of its books, and one of the things that Save the Children does in conjunction with our partners is provide books, provide classroom materials.
It's just so amazing that we work with people who share the same giving heart, and hearing everyone's stories is really what got me. And when I go back to Fisher's, we pride ourselves, we keep saying, we're going to be the friendliest IKEA. And having that partnership with Save the Children and hearing their backgrounds too, and we already are involved in so many things, it's going to be, tenfold. So I think that is the most impactful part. And that's what I keep like in my heart right now, is that I'm with some really cool people.